Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome. I'm Deandra, and today I'm doing a how I trim my natural hair video. So if you're interested in that, then just keep on watching. Alright y'all, so I straightened my hair a few days ago with my Tymo Ring Plus straightening comb. If you missed that video, it'll be linked down below. So make sure that you check out that video after this one. So I feel like my hair is holding up really well. It looks so pretty. It has so much volume and body, and I'm honestly obsessed with it. I think it's just so pretty. So my hair does have a little bit of a wave to it, as you can see, and that is from the way that I actually pin my hair up at night. I do like a big twist and just pin it at the top of my head. I can actually do a video on how I maintain my natural hair while it's straight. But like I said, this video today is on trimming my natural hair. So I pretty much only trim my hair when it's straight, and I only straighten my hair once a year. It's actually been a little bit over a year since I straightened my hair last. So my hair is definitely in need of a trim. Like, my ends are looking a little crazy right now. So we are going to get those together. So first I'm just gonna show y'all what my ends are looking like right now. So as you can see, my ends are looking a little bit see-through, and I don't like that. So we are going to get rid of pretty much all of those see-through ends. So I like to straighten my hair one side at a time. That way I just make sure that both sides are even. I don't want my hair to be looking crooked, which is also why I like to trim my hair while it's straight versus while it's curly. I do like dusting and light trims when it's curly, but I never want to do like a blunt cut while my hair is curly, because it's just hard to make sure that it's gonna be even. And I find that it's a lot easier to do that when my hair has been straightened. So I'm just dividing my hair down the middle. Like so. And I'm gonna just clip this side out of the way while I start on this side. So the first thing that I'm going to do, of course, is make sure that my hair is nice and combed out with no tangles. I don't like to comb my hair a whole lot when it's straight or curly, but especially when it's straight, because my hair likes to poof up. And when I comb my hair a lot, it definitely makes my hair a lot frizzier. But for this purpose, it needs to be fully combed out. Okay, so I'm gonna just show y'all what my ends look like. So y'all see that part that's really see-through? And I can also tell that I need a trim when my ends are feeling really rough, or when I'm getting a lot of single strand knots, which I definitely was getting a lot of those when my hair was curly. So I knew that it was time for a trim, but I was just trying to wait until I straightened it, and today is the day. So I'm going to start by just sectioning out a piece in the back, and we're gonna clip the rest up. So this is what this part is looking like. You can see the see-through ends, and that's the part that we are going to cut. So this is how much I just cut off. So now my hair comes to about here in the back. So now you want to take your next piece and do the same thing. So I like to kind of find where I cut the other piece and try to keep it relatively even. It's not going to be exact, but it'll be pretty close. So you can already see that that is looking a whole lot cleaner. Okay, so this side is done. And you can see that my ends look way cleaner compared to this side with the see-through ends. So as you can see, I didn't cut a whole lot, but yet it still just looks a lot better on this side. And this side of my hair just feels so much better compared to this side. I can feel those rough ends, and it just overall looks healthier when you trim your ends. All right, so now I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. I'm just gonna use this side as a guide to try to keep my hair as even as possible. Okay, so my hair is fully trimmed. Just checking to be sure that they are even. And that is it. So like I said, my hair feels so much better. I know none of us like to cut our hair, especially if you've been growing your hair out for a long time. It can definitely feel like you're cutting off the length that you worked so hard for, but remember that it's always health over length. Your hair will look so much healthier if you keep your ends nice and trimmed. And I know that trimming your own hair can be intimidating and it might not be for everybody. So if you are nervous about trimming your own hair, then you can always go and get a professional to do it. I just prefer to trim my own hair just so that I can be more in control of how much is actually being cut off. But again, that's just a personal preference. You should do whatever you feel like is best for your own hair. So I hope that you guys found this video really helpful. If you did, then please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Those really help to push my video out to more people. And also consider subscribing. We are still on our road to 1,000 subbies. So I would love for you to join the family. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all next Friday in my next video. Bye.